Hi, I'm Brittany from the Postech team, and I'm finding out the answers to your frequently asked questions. Today's question is, how many piles do I need and where do they go? Let's go and meet with Andre from Postech Langley to find out more information. Hi, Andre. How do you determine how many piles somebody needs and where do they go?
Brittany, the number of piles you need is based on what you're building, the number of beams, the size of the beams, and the span they can take. You can expect to put a pile every 8 to 10 feet along your beam locations. Give us a call, send us your drawings, and we'll help you determine the number of piles and where they go.